Meghalaya's Education Minister Rakkam A Sangma addressed complaints regarding discrepancies in the recent Neet conducted by the NTA at Jowai and Nongpoh. He stated that he has personally raised the issue with the chairman of the agency. Additionally, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma and the state's health department have been involved briefing the testing agency on the situation.
No, it is like this. On our request, for the first time, the NEET exam has conducted in different cities of the state, being Tura, Jowai, and in Shillong. Of course, for the first time, maybe these things happened. It's unfortunate. Also, maybe this happened so. And I've been informed by the NTA Chairman Minister that we're going to have a CUT exam again, both in Shillong, in Jowai, and Tura in the offline mode this time, and they have requested for the exam center, the schools buildings of different, like for Shillong, Jowai, and Tura, like that. So we are working on the process, but this is exam completely like conducted by the NTA, and the state government has nothing to do with this. But however, we are coordinating with the NTA.
Along with candidates who have appeared from Jowai Center for the NEET exams that met you. Can you tell us more about it and what's the decision?
No, this is like this issue is something, if it has happened. And yesterday, I have also had a word with the chairman NTA personally also, and told him, inform him, and also our honorable chief minister, Sir Conrad Sangma, has also taken up the matter with the concerned authority NTA in Delhi, and also our just because this NEET exam directly connected with the medical department, but however, this also as a government responsible, I also personally taking up the matter, and like the NT has also informed us that they're also assessing the ground situation, what will happen. They are doing their inquiry on this. So, and this is that, but we are taking up the matter.
Is there any possibility for a re-examination to reconduct the exams?
So it is not in the hands of the government. It's a let the NTA decide. They will decide because it's a all India level examination. So it's been conducted for the across the country for many lakhs, the 10, 15 lakhs students. So, but however, they are looking, they are examining the situation, what happened really happened at the ground.